I'm from the Philippines.
I'm from Phoenix.
Together,
we're Phil's to Phoenix. 2 countries.
1 heart. And welcome to our
Chikka2x.
Yay! We got Channah. She said yay!
We've got a whole 1-year-old
joining. So are you allowed to join? Yes? Yes! I know. Okay. What's happening? What's been happening? Oh, yes, I know. You tell the people.
Somebody's learned the pterodactyl scream.
Okay, you want to curl? Sige, you can curl. Okay, sorry for distraction.
Oh, no, that ain't gonna work.
Okay. She said, is that a toy? Do you want toys? Oh, okay.
Yeah, we hadn't actually rehearsed that intro since the last video we made.
Okay. Do you want to do what's going on recent to the oldest, as far as we could remember?
The last one of these we did was in Flagstaff.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's my
almost
birthday.
2 months, yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, so what's been going on? Yes, we have a 1-year-old. We have a big party yesterday. She said, "Whoa."
Yeah, that's actually been what's been happening to us for pretty much the last 2 months.
And the excuse of me not doing this, my apologies, because after work, I go to sleep and take a nap with this cute baby here. You can't resist, right? Don't you?
Yeah, about 3 o'clock is her nap time, and then about 6:30, 7 o'clock is her bedtime.
Yeah.
So yes, our life is suddenly being scheduled around her life.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's been the biggest thing that's been going on. Is
we've been busy for planning Channah's birthday. Ooh.
Organizing a 1-year-old's birthday party is way more work than I think either one of us ever envisioned.
Yeah.
We managed to get a really cool park, and it didn't cost us anything. Because several of the venues we were looking at were kind of pricey.
$75 to $100 per hour.
But it actually turned out really cool. And I'll try to include some pictures.
Yeah.
We had a friend of ours video most of it.
Yeah.
And so as soon as I get the files from him, I'll start trying to edit that for this week, this Friday's.
I'm not sure. He will edit it, so you could just upload it.
She seems to think that he or his wife said that he was going to edit it. So
yeah.
There's a little bit of confusion. But either way.
I gotta check that message, just for sure.
You finally got on permanent with CBRE.
Yeah, we talked to that last, my birthday.
Right, that you're going to be.
Yeah, but I already permanented, so.
We had planned on going camping this coming weekend. For those of you know and been listening to a couple of live streams, Mark Schmidt from Negros, he has cancer, and he came back to the States and had some problems, and he and I talked about it. I talked with Cindy, and we told him, if you want, come on over here, and he's actually getting treatment finally in Phoenix. But that said, until he can find some kind of temporary transitional housing, he's staying in our trailer. So
no camping.
No camping for the next few weeks.
Oh, that's okay.
What happened to it? Do you want to go get it?
So yes, our life has been interesting, amazing, and
You go get your ball?
Yay! So my God, we're full. Yeah, I got so busy with work.
Work and childcare is an interesting balance.
Yes.
Videoing and childcare is an interesting balance.
Everything is an interesting balance, but yeah, it's fun. This is our new lifestyle, and we're having fun of it. This is the moment. Okay. Yep.
Where'd it go?
Oh!
Go
grab
get it.
Grab it! Oh.
The ball's over there. She actually does real well. She's getting around really well.
It's
The ball's over there.
The ball is over there. The ball. Where's the ball? She's waving her hands, actually.
Yeah, I don't know if she's still in frame, but she's waving.
No, she's not.
Nope.
The camera is over there. Okay, you can go.
This one's gonna be a little more of a challenge to edit than most. Okay. Let's see. Work balance, life balance. Yeah, that Phil's to Phoenix is gonna wind up taking a little bit of a change.
Work-life balance and everything. So.
And we're gonna start, hopefully, doing more videos about being a fil-am couple in the U.S. and having a kid and getting the work-life balance and a worker and a retiree and all that fun stuff.
Yeah. In betweens with social life too, because you married to a social person.
And I got a social kid. Channah absolutely loves being outside.
Yeah, she does.
She generally enjoys, as long as she's not tired, she generally enjoys being around people.
Yeah.
She is going to be a social butterfly.
Yeah, sorry. She eat my hair. She said, no, doesn't taste.
But we are going to start trying to do these a little bit more regular and definitely a whole lot better at it, organized.
It's organized chaos. We like it. So.
And that's kind of what our life has been the last pretty much ever since we got back.
Yeah.
Every time we think we find a new normal, no.
It's organized chaos. That's it. It's just like there's a situation and you said, okay, we're moving on. Like I don't want to think about it. Like, okay, I know there's an issue. I have emotions already in that for like 2 minutes, and okay, let's switch back to. I think I'm pretty used to it now.
Yeah, we're not ignoring problems,
but we know it's there.
But we kind of table them for a while sometimes. We'll have to do a video on that.
I like that topic, yeah. And yeah, the reality of being a mom, a working mom, like you don't comb your hair like this for now, and you just walk up.
And it's not only a working mom, but a work from home mom.
A working from home mother, with you work in like this attire, shorts, and then you cover your legs because it's cold or something. And you have a meeting, you just need your head. Shh. Right, Channah?
Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Yeah, the ball.
What's she doing that? What's that? Where did she copy that? She copy everything.
Yeah, when you point, she tends to come up and try and touch your finger.
Yeah. Point.
She's learned up here.
Up here, point. Linya, line, like line.
Come here.
She just waved her hand.
She's generally a really happy kid.
Yeah, and I teach her head, ulo, baga, and she just like, ulo and a baga, and like, she kept doing like that. Head and shoulder. She's more mobile now. She grows so fast.
She had her 1-year checkup today.
Yeah, she got 4 shots today.
Yeah, she got 4 shots, 4 immunizations today. That one's kind of a challenge.
Yeah.
She wasn't terribly happy about that.
So things to look forward. We got pretty busy month for November as far as I could remember.
We had planned on going down to Tucson November 13th.
Yeah,
on a
13, 14
Sunday.
or 12, 13, 14. But
And with the current situation with Mark, that we don't see that happening. But that frees us up that we were invited to San Diego after the weekend after Thanksgiving. And we're probably going to take that one up. And so that way Monday you can take off. Monday or Monday and Tuesday you can take off.
Yeah.
Because the party's Tuesday, right?
Yes.
And so that would let us come back on Wednesday.
Yeah.
And that's only going to give you 3 days off.
I could work. I'll just bring my laptop.
Not while we're traveling.
Huh?
Oh, we'll figure it out.
No, I could work in Sue's house.
Right, on Monday.
Yeah.
But Tuesday and Wednesday.
That's
And that'll actually be kind of a good thing because we've taken a couple of trips. We went up to Pine Top, we went up to Flagstaff. Channah handled a couple hours in a car okay.
Yeah.
But this would be the first long trip. It's going to be, it's a 6-hour drive. So we're looking at probably 7-8 hours.
Come on.
Yeah, she's starting to stand up.
She does.
And so that'll be kind of interesting to see how she handles that. Because that will tell us a lot on how far we can go with camping too.
Yes.
Anything else going on you want to do? Oh, show them the picture.
Channah. Oh, there you go. We get everyone's sign.
We did this basic format for our wedding. And we had everybody sign the photo frame instead of a guest book.
Yeah. It's actually pretty.
And so that way when she learns how to
Is that
read,
you?
she can see all the people that were at her first birthday.
Is that you?
We thought that was kind of a cool
I
thing.
know.
That we liked that a lot for our wedding picture.
Yeah, this is so pretty.
Uh,
I'm like distracted.
hey, where's your bong? Oh,
You like Mama?
you found some slippers.
Mama Bear?
Yeah, we got camping costume.
Yeah. If we give her that costume now. We got a picture of that. You could post it.
Yeah, there's a picture on. Do I have a
Facebook.
You got it on your
We
phone,
post
don't
the
you?
Phoenix, yeah. Feels the Phoenix.
Well, you got it on your phone too, though.
Yeah.
It was put off the internet.
Yeah.
But I think that's it.
Yeah, we're excited for the holidays. I'm excited for the holidays.
We got decorating inside.
We got Christmas tree. That's one thing. I think during like this month of tomorrow's November, and then we're gonna have like lots of birthdays to attend. So this Saturday, and then the third week, and then we have Thanksgiving to come, and then we got Black Friday, and then another birthday, and then oh my God, there's a lot of birthdays. In December there will be more birthdays, and Christmas. Oh my God, that's a lot. So it will be a busy season. So I'm just so excited for this coming 2 months. Would you imagine there are like 8 weeks to go for the new year?
Yeah.
And then it's like 7 or 6.
Hopefully no hurricanes.
7 weeks for Christmas. Oh my God, Halloween is today. I was just like I'm just so excited. I'm excited.
Yeah, we're not gonna go do anything for Halloween this year.
No, we have so much. We already did so much.
Yeah, Channah wouldn't remember or do anything for it, and we're not big Halloween people to begin with.
We're not.
So.
So. We like to dress up for but we don't really.
Yeah, but we never really did costumes or anything like that. So. But
for that, I think that's right, and we will try to do another series or tips of like what you said a while ago. And we'll try to be religious.
We'll try to be a lot better with this. So
we're in our office, so pretty. So thank you so much.
Mabuhay.